In this video, let us talk about 7 crazy health trends that are doing the rounds. It is highly likely that you would have come across at least 4 out of these 7 trends. On this channel, we have busted many health trends, but these 7 have never been talked about. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Starting with number 7 on the list is gluten-free diet. Gluten-free is certainly the new buzzword. But is it recommended? Well, gluten is a family of proteins found in grains like wheat, rye, and barley. It all started in the 1940s when a Dutch pediatrician published the adverse effects of gluten on his patients who were suffering from celiac disease. So, a person suffering from this disease, if consumed gluten, experienced digestive issues and other side effects. Well, this is not something new. Even keto diet was introduced by doctors in the 1920s for the treatment of child epilepsy, which later became a fat loss fad. I wonder what will be the next on the list. Modern research suggests that only about 1% of the world's population suffers from celiac disease. Taking this as an opportunity, the so-called health industry came up with gluten-free products and bashed gluten for its side effects. As a result, many people without celiac disease are going gluten-free because they believe it is a healthful option. Even in India, people are beginning to ditch the good old whole wheat rotis and are instead ordering gluten-free flours, which are often devoid of B12, zinc, folate, iron and fiber. So it's simple, don't make gluten-free into a fad. Of course, if you are diagnosed with celiac disease or face any side effects eating gluten foods, you should absolutely stick to gluten-free options. If eating wheat rotis have never been an issue for you, keep eating them and other gluten-filled grains without any worry. Next on the list is Kangen water. Masterfully monetizing the water is not new, as the industry comes up with new gimmicks every now and then. The latest being Kangen water. Kangen is a Japanese term which means back to origin, and this Kangen water is basically alkaline water. Now we all know that water in its natural state has a pH of 7, whereas Kangen water, which is artificially produced in a chamber using electricity and an ionizer, brings the pH range of 8 or 9 due to the addition of certain minerals. Then these companies claim over-the-top benefits which hardly have any scientific backing till date. Alright, for an instance, let's assume that Kangen water is good. But I really do not understand why should anybody spend over 1 lakh rupees on this product when a better job can be done by a 100 rupees clay pot. And mind you, the benefits of Kangen water that these companies boast of are those which are found in naturally alkaline water, which passes over rocks and picks up minerals on the way, which increases its alkaline level. Not the so-called alkaline or Kangen water which is produced through a chemical process called electrolysis. This is as ridiculous as Fruity claiming the benefits of real mango. It is one of those examples when we try to replicate nature through a man-made process which fails to give the desired results. So don't waste your hard-earned money on it. Number 5 is raw food diet. Generally, people are attracted towards a raw food diet lifestyle as they believe that cooking the food will lose its nutrition. Although there is some truth in that, but our traditional system of cooking food has been intelligently designed not just to make the food more palatable, but also to digest and assimilate the nutrients better. Remember, it's not just the food that we eat, but the food that we are able to digest that matters. More so, being on a raw food diet, a person completely misses out on whole grains, which are a major source of energy and minerals in an Indian diet. So the point here is that one should not blindly follow such a crude, restrictive and almost impractical lifestyle. Also, according to Ayurveda, raw food is cold in nature and does not go very well with a Vata type person, especially when it is consumed after sunset. This is the reason sometimes eating a raw vegetable salad can cause gas problems, pain in the joints and even sinus issues. While it makes some sense in the West where people are heavily dependent on packaged, canned and frozen foods, which gives an instant relief to their bodies. However, from an Indian perspective where the diet patterns are already quite sophisticated, this diet makes little to no sense. Next on the list is Greek yogurt. Yogurt or dahi is an excellent source of calcium, potassium, protein, zinc and vitamins B6 and B12. But what's up with this Greek yogurt that is doing the rounds on the shelves of Indian supermarkets? You might be surprised to know that Greek yogurt is nothing but hung curd. Yes, simply if you take curd, strain and keep it for a few hours so that the whey water is separated, the thick consistency of the curd left behind is that buzzword called Greek yogurt, which is sold in attractive packaging at premium prices. But is it healthy? Well, the companies promote these curds as it is rich in protein and suits lactose intolerant more. Ayurveda has a deeper stand. As per Ayurveda, water in the curd is known to open up the clogged subtle channels in the body called srotas. So when you eat Greek yogurt, which is devoid of the water, it tends to be more constipating. Having said this, you can eat Greek yogurt at times, but why buy those overpriced ones which seem to be actually coming from Greece? Make them fresh at home. Moreover, the flavored versions of them have refined sugar and colors added. Personally, I would any day prefer homemade regular curd with jaggery powder mixed in it. Number 3 are gummies. Gummies are one of those products that are made to catch a kid's eye almost instantly. So brands have now come up with vitamins in the form of gummies. This is a masterstroke as it woos the parents who buy these gummies for their kids' health, and the kid happily enjoys it. What is wrong with that, you might ask? Well, the problem lies in their ingredients and the process that goes in making these cute looking sweets. They are completely processed, full of sugar, chemicals and artificial additives that even an adult's body can't assimilate, let alone a growing child. So getting the necessary vitamins from these artificial foods give you not more than a false sense of satisfaction. Rather, it is damaging for the body. These gummies have shown to promote cavities in the teeth. Some even work as strong laxatives and cause uncontrollable diarrhea. Needless to say, fruits and vegetables are the best sources for supplying the necessary vitamins and minerals. Last thing that you would want is to make your child habitual to eating this crap, rather than giving nature's gifts of fruits and nuts. Next on the list are juice fasts. Juice fasts are a new hit where you are living only on juice for a few days with an intention to give the digestive system rest and promote detoxification. Juice fasts are again something which are propagated with the right intentions, but it too has certain hidden nuances. Blindly doing long juice fasts can cause toxin formations in the body rather than detoxification. According to Ayurveda, when you squeeze out a juice from a fruit, the properties of juice get colder than the original food. While such a fast can do wonders for a person with a dominant Pitta dosha, it might not go well with a Vata or a Kapha type person. A better way to give rest to your digestive system could be to do a liquid fast where you consume juice for your breakfast or even till lunchtime. But as the sun begins to set, you should switch to broth-based soups with adequate spices to keep the digestion fired up. Finally, at number 1 is water enema. Water-based enema has been popularized by the West as a miracle therapy for colon cleansing. So what is this miracle therapy? Basically, lukewarm water is pushed through the rectum and then later it is dispelled along with bowels to cleanse the colon. First of all, you should know that enema is not a practice which is alien to the Indian traditional culture. It is called Basti in Ayurveda. Ayurveda's primary root text Ashtanga Hridayam in its Sutrasthan chapter 19 titled Basti Vidya Adhyaya explains the complete procedure and the benefits of enema therapy. Further, in the Kalp Siddhisthan chapter 4 and 5 are fully dedicated to the enema recipes and the management of its complications. Nowhere only water-based enema is recommended. Instead, Ayurveda clearly mentions that enema should be done with oil mixed with water which has herbs in it depending on one's body type and the health status for colon cleansing and detoxification. In fact, only water-based enemas are depleting and will cause the Vata dosha of the body to imbalance, causing gas, dryness and fissures in the intestines. We must also understand that Basti is one of the holistic Panchkarma practices and is recommended to be done only under the guidance of an Ayurvedic practitioner. Today, many people are doing only water-based enemas on a daily basis. This is bound to cause Vata disorders in the long run. Surely, enema is an amazing practice, but it should be done the proper way under guidance and certainly not daily. So these were those 7 crazy health trends which I felt needed your attention. Which one of these 7 trends could you relate most to? Let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful and would want me to make a part 2 of this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Check out Oziva's plant-based biotin and plant-based protein powder for both men and women. If you are suffering from hair or skin problems, it could be due to biotin deficiency. Oziva's biotin is among the best in the market as it is extracted from all natural plant sources along with carefully added fruit extracts and spices to give a tangy taste to it. Because it does not have any chemical additives to it, this biotin will get absorbed in the body much faster. To reap its benefits, have 2 scoops of it in 100 ml water 30 minutes before breakfast. Oziva's organic plant protein powder is another recommended product for everyday fitness. Extracted solely from organic pea protein isolate, organic brown rice protein and organic quinoa, its 1 scoop post-workout will give you 30 grams of high quality protein. What's best is that Oziva's organic plant protein is soy-free, non-GMO and has no unwanted additives. To buy Oziva's organic plant protein and biotin for hair and skin, click on the link down in the description
description box.
So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.